Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I am going to tell you how to grow the seeds of Cosmos sulphureus dwarf ladybird mix. These are the Cosmos sulphureus dwarf ladybird mix, and the plant height is around 1 to 1.5 feet tall, and they bloom nicely. They bloom hundreds and bloom. You can see hundreds of flowers. They will bloom and they will be excellent for the summer months, and they are all drought resistant, and they are very little to care, very little to maintain. And I am taking out the seeds from here. These are from the Sakata, Japan. So Sakata, Japan, I am taking it out. These are the all aluminum foil packet. Taking out 1000 seed packet is here, and I am taking out seeds from here. These are all the seeds from Cosmos sulphureus dwarf ladybird mix from Sakata, Japan. So I am taking it out. Now I will be growing the seeds in coco pit. These are all dried, best quality coco pit here in the tray. And I tell you, there is a hole at the bottom. There is a hole at the bottom, and you have to cover the hole with a net. Anything you have to cover with a chip or net, and I am covering it here. These are all dried coco pit. If you want, you can take the mixture of soil, some of the cow dung compost, vermicompost mixture, then only you can use, then also, and I am using only the coco pit, dried coco pit. And this one is another, and I will be sowing around 200 seeds per tray, 200 seeds per tray. So these are the seeds. Have a look here that I am giving you how the impression of the flowers, how the flowers look like. And within 2 months you can get the flower from here. I am now putting the seeds here, and keep it in equal spacing. It should be proper, so that they should not be in very congested area. If the seeds gets congested, then their fungal attack would be more and chances of survival will be less. So these are the here I am putting here around 200 seeds per tray. I will be putting here. Now in this one, so friends, these are now the seeds are well distributed here. You can see this is the arrangement and equal distribution. The seeds are here, and now I am covering with the same coco pit, dried coco pit. I will be covering thin layer of coco pit. I will be giving here. So these are now complete. Now I will be watering with light-handed, very small amount. Don't water it much, don't make it soggy. Only 1-inch layer of water should be down. So this is all complete, and now I will be keeping it under shade for 3 to 4 days and let it germinate. And after its germination, I tell you one thing: you have to, after 3 to 4 days, you have to sprinkle water every day, little bit of water, so that the soil mix should be every time soil should mix a little bit of moist. So this is about all, and thank you very much. Keep on watching. I am giving all the updates. Thank you. So this is the result after 10 days, and all the seeds have been germinated, and around the seedlings are around 1.5 inch tall, and third and fourth leaves are coming out. Welcome back, friends. After 20 days of sowing the seeds of Cosmos, these are the Cosmos sulphureus mix here, and here you can see these are all the plants totally ready, and the beautiful germination. All are healthy plants. Now I am transplanting it in 3-inch pots. You can see these are all earthen pots. These are all clay pots here, and the soil mix I am using here 30% compost and 70% garden soil, dry good quality garden soil. Just take little bit of soil here, and these are one of the best plants for the summer months. So you must grow in summer these plants. And now I am taking it out, just push it down here, so that the roots you can take out all the from the below from the roots also. So just take out here. Be very careful about pulling out this plant. Make sure you don't break any of the roots from here. And you can grow it in the pots, in containers, or in the garden diet. Just I am showing you here. I am putting soil here, just around it. Fill the pot here so that 1 inch would be at the above surface. Just tap it around, gentle fingers, press it with gentle finger here. And now ready, and water it. Don't water it much and keep them under shade, semi-shade for at least 5 to 6 days, and then keep it out in the open sunlight and keep there 10 to 15 days. You will grow there. If you want, you can shift in 5-inch pot, or if you want, you can directly transplant it in 8-inch pot, or if you want, you can grow it in the directly in the garden. So these are all the Cosmos Salpinus mix for beautiful plants, beautiful flowering, and they will flower up to September or October. They will flower Cosmos Salpinus mix, and they are maximum. They are growing for double flowers, all beautiful flowers. Now the plants are around 5 to 6 inch tall, and they are ready to be transplanted in pots or garden. So welcome back friends after 30 days, and now I am transplanting. The plants are ready to be transplanted. I am transplanting in 8-inch pot and taking it out the plants here, and the soil mix I am taking 20% compost and 80% garden soil mix, and now I am transplanting in 8-inch pot, and you can grow this, and if you want you can grow 2 plants also in a plant pot. And now I am watering the plants. So these are the now ready, full grown. Within 1 month you will see all the plants will be blooming with full of flowers. And now I am transplanting some in garden also. So 3 plants I will be transplanting in garden also. So now taking out this one, a beautiful plant around 5 inch tall, and taking some dig here, hole here, and now I am planting the plants here. Now taking out the another plant, and now take out some dig up a hole here. Now putting the plants here. So these are the plants now ready, and thus you can transplant in garden, and you have to water it time to time, and you don't have to take much of the care, and they will bloom within 1 month, and they will take height around 1.5 feet tall, and they will bloom at least 30 to 40 flowers will be regularly. 30 to 40 flowers will be there, and lots of varieties of colors will be seen, and they are very hardy and drought resistant and heat resistant plants, and they are the nice for the garden to be grown. So these are the, now I am watering the plants, and this is the things, and water the plants every day. So hope I could make clear everything about the Cosmos Salpinus mix, the best plant for the summer plants. So if you enjoy the plants, and if you want to share, please share the video. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give a lot about the various planting and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.